March to the beat of your own drum on social media. Hey everybody, this is Bob Cargill. March to the beat of your own drum on social media. When I was a kid, back in the day, years ago, my sister and I, we would play music together. She was a musician, she still is, very talented. She would play the guitar and sing. I was the drummer, the wannabe drummer. I had real drumsticks, but not a real drum. I played those drumsticks, banged those drumsticks on a stack of magazines. And we would play music together, me drumming, she singing and strumming the guitar, listening to the Beatles, the Rolling Stones, the Monkees on her record player. And we would have lots of fun. I remember those days, those times, those moments fondly. I was marching to the beat of my own drum. I was improvising. We were improvising. We were making believe. We were fantasizing. We were certainly being unique. We were being creative. It was music to our own ears. You want to be music to the ears of your audience on social media. You want to be marching to the beat of your own drum on social media. You want to be standing out among the clutter in competition. All that clutter, all that competition on social media. You want to be different and unique. You want to be yourself. Don't blend in. You want to beat the algorithms in the competition. And the way to do that is marching to the beat of your own drum. Being yourself, being unique, being creative. Taking some risks. Being daring. Put yourself out there. That's what social media is all about. It's the social in social media. March to the beat of your own drum. Improvise. Be music to the ears of your audience. March to the beat of your own drum on social media.